Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And I apologize for not bringing videos for the last couple of days because of some urgent work. Um, Day after tomorrow, I'll be absent from YouTube. Okay, I have some urgent work. Okay, so please don't mind. As you all know that I'm getting married in the month of June. So yes, there are many things coming up. So I'm being irregular these days. So please don't mind. Hopefully you can understand. Okay, the chart of DXY. During the weekend, we had many news the war between Russia and Ukraine is intensifying, and then we also got to know that Russia is urging the countries, appealing the countries that reduce the dependency on US dollar, try to trade on gold, etc. So there were many news. So after the market opening, we can see that dollar is still going up. As we all know, that during the Friday trading session, dollar became very strong. DXY became very strong, and it also crossed the 100 mark. Okay, but ultimately closed below 100. But we can see that after the market opening, DXY is still very much bullish. Right now trading at 99.95. So if the bullishness continues, then obviously DXY will be marching towards 100.50 to 100.80. This is the next big resistance for DXY. Okay, if the bullishness continues, then obviously DXY will be going up towards this level and other pairs will be under pressure. And if we see some sort of correction, yes, if we see some correction on DXY, then we can see that around 99.40, 99.30 DXY have support. Here DXY have taken support. Previously this was the same level that was acting as resistance for the market. So resistance has become the new support for DXY. So under normal circumstances, if DXY comes down also, this level will be providing support in case there is no news. In fact, if there is news in the market, if something bad news comes out for DXY, then we may see some sort of selling and market will break the level. But otherwise, without any news, there is a high possibility that DXY will be maintaining its level below 99.40 and 99.50. And right now, if you look at the present body language of DXY, we can see that DXY is still very much bullish, and there is a possibility that it will be hitting this level mark very soon. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. Euro USD, after the gap up opening, you can see that Euro USD is going down. So in the chart of Euro USD, I'll be just giving you 3 to 4 levels because in this market condition, in this uncertain market condition, it is better to trade on particular levels only that you are sure of. Do not enter in the middle. Keep in mind, this is your hard-earned money, this is your capital, and it's your responsibility to protect it. As I always say, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So do not make the mistake. Okay. The strongest support on the chart of Euro USD is 1.0800. This is the strongest support on the chart of Euro USD. If market comes down to this level, there is a good possibility, high chance of market bouncing from this level. If market witnesses some selling pressure, there is a good possibility that this level will provide support to the market, because this was a very strong price rejection level for the chart of Euro USD. But keep in mind, no level is permanent in the market, so please follow proper risk management. In case there's a news in the market and if you see heavy selling, yes, if there's a news in the market, if any news comes out in the market and if you see heavy selling, then no support will be able to hold the market. Okay, so when market will be hitting this level, observe the market first. Observation is extremely important for any trader. Observe the market first and see how the market is doing. If you see that price is trying to take support, if you see good price rejection from below around this level, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, if you see a bullish pin bar, or if you see a bullish engulfing pattern, that will give you the confirmation that yes, buyers are still present in this support level and you can go for buy. That will be the best trade. Okay, so if market bounces from this level, you can go for a buy. But as of now, okay, we have another support in the market, that is 1.0840 to 1.0830. So this is the next support for the Euro USD. If market comes to this level, observe the market here also, because before reaching this level, market will face this level. So this is your first support and this is your second support. Yes, the second support is the strongest support. This is the strongest support, but this support is also not that bad. For day trading purpose, you can expect some sort of reversal, some sort of bounce from this support level. So if market comes down to this 1.0840, 1.0830 level, again you see the market, observe the market. If price bounces, if price reverses, go for a buy as well. But keep in mind, the strongest support in this chart is this 1.0800 level only. This is not that very strong, just a normal resistance, minor resistance for day trading purpose only. Okay, and the strongest resistance, or the only resistance that is important for us right now, okay, for us right now is 1.0940 to 1.0950. This green line at the top is this the most important resistance on the chart of Euro USD as for us right now. Yes. Why? Because you can see that when price was trying to go up, price rejected from this level, price could not go up. And previously the same level was also the support for the market. Yes, listen to me carefully. Previously the same level was the support for the market. So the previous support became the resistance. And these price rejections on Fridays, Thursday, gives us the confirmation that yes, support has really become the resistance, and under normal circumstances we can expect price to reverse from this level. So if market goes up and if price reverses from 1.0940, 1.0950 level, if you see price rejection from above, shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, anything of that sort, give you the confirmation that brother and sisters, you can go for a sell order. But yes, observe the market first. Observation at any level is important, because see, why I always talk about confirmation, because see, confirmation is the insurance of traders. So once you get the confirmation at the resistance, okay, it means that you are sure right now that sellers are still present in the market. So what is resistance? Resistance means the place of sellers. Support means place of buyers. So if you are taking a sell position at resistance, so you must be sure that whether sellers are present or not. They were present, but do you know that they are present still? You don't. Once you see price rejection from above, you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present. That's why confirmation is always important for traders. Okay, so if market goes up and reverses from this level, you can take a sell position. But in case you find market breaking the resistance and going up, then if possible, try to avoid the trade. I'll be coming down tomorrow and I'll tell you what should be your next strategy. Okay, but as of now, take a sell position. If market reverses from here, take a buy, okay, so these are the three levels for Euro USD that I think important right now. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.